So, I mean, what tools do you use in your business that you would not be able to run your business without?
So one of the biggest things is I use a Landlord Studio, which, allow me to track my income and allow me to track my expenses. One of the biggest things I do is look over my P&L, once a week, right? At minimum, to ensure that, the money that's coming in is accurate and the money that's going out is accurate, because everything is about, your margin. And then,
Mm-hmm.
so that's one of the biggest tools that I use. I mean, outside of using like, anytime that we get a tenant, right, or a tenant candidate, we do a background check, credit check, and eviction check. So I use something called My Smart Move, for
Nice.
that. I think that's beneficial, and it's a couple other tools that's not coming to me, but yeah, I mean those are
Well, just those
two
two by
big ones.
themselves, right? Those two by themselves are major ones that, somebody probably never even heard of. And to your
Yeah,
point, right? Some people trying to get into real estate, they're looking for answers like that. And I think, obviously you're willing to dish them
yeah.
out